These are 9 jobs companies literally can't fill right now. And if you're bracing for another generic list that you could have Googled in 10 seconds, then stick with me, because I spent years and a small fortune becoming a pharmacist, and I ended up a highly educated pill counting monkey for a company that just saw me as a number. Then I walked away from the whole thing and started over. So when I tell you the smartest move right now is to chase jobs that nobody can fill instead of the jobs that everyone's fighting over, I know that it's right because I've lived both sides. Some you can start in a matter of months with no degree, some are fully remote, and some are hiring in your town this week. And one of them has 113 open positions for every single person qualified to take it. So whether you got laid off, or you hate the career that you're in, or you're a parent going back to work, or you're rebuilding your life in a new country, or you're staring down 40 and finally admitting that you picked the wrong job at 18, there is at least one job on the list built for exactly where you're standing, and probably several of them that are going to be a good fit for you. And every number in this video comes from real sources, government labor data, Glassdoor, and real people telling you what they make, not some AI list with salaries pulled out of thin air. Receipts will be on the screen for every single one. So if you appreciate me making this type of content, let me know by gently cheersing that like button. And let's jump into it right now. All right, first up is nuclear medicine technologist. These are the people who prep and give patients tiny, safe doses of radioactive medicine, then run the scanners that map it through the body to catch cancer and heart disease early. Now, if it sounds rare, that's because it is, and that's exactly the problem for hospitals. In one state alone, Rhode Island, the most recent state labor report showed that 20 of these jobs are sitting completely open, and 0 people are collecting unemployment who could fill them. 0. So there's a channel run by a tech named Asmertorg. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but basically they're breaking down exactly what the job is, what it's like, and an entire channel, S&M, that talks about nothing but nuclear medicine because that's how hungry people are to understand this field. And the pay is not small. Glassdoor puts nuclear medicine techs between $120,000 and $219,000 a year, with a median around $160,000. So here's how to get in. A 2-year associate's degree in nuclear medicine technology, plus a certification exam, and you're gonna be working. Now, by the way, when it comes to getting in, these types of things can be a little bit different in different states and different regions, etc. So if you're really interested in this one, I highly recommend just looking it up wherever you're from, because it could be different depending on your state and region. And also there may be alternative ways of getting into it that you would benefit from, such as military service. So definitely look it up if it sounds interesting to you. So next is going to be a wastewater system operator. And these are the people who keep sewage from poisoning your town's water, and almost nobody wants the job, which is exactly why it's wide open. And the EPA is openly warning about worker shortages in these systems, and states like Texas are watching the problem get worse every year. One operator left a comment that stuck with me. He said that he's almost 67, it's still in demand, and while wastewater isn't sexy, he'll be working and having money when everybody else doesn't. And there's a channel called The Wastewater Enthusiast, walking people through the fastest way to break in and get licensed, and Glassdoor has these operators making around $33 to $39 an hour, which lands near $75,000 a year, and you do not need a degree. So here's how to get in. You start as an operator in training, then earn your state license as you go. Again, no college required. All right, number 3 is a nurse. And you already know the country is desperately short on nurses, but there are a lot of different types of nurses out there. Now, the American Nurses Association has been sounding the alarm for years, driven by an aging population and a wave of burnt out professionals that are just simply walking away. And a channel called Nectar even made a full breakdown of the American nursing crisis. But here's what almost nobody's telling you about this shortage. One of the people that I work with is a nurse. Her name's Nurse Jen. Now, she has a very successful career as a nurse, but she took it one step further after working with us and started her own YouTube channel where she would answer questions that she was already answering on a day-to-day basis in her normal job. And in her own words, before this, she had never dipped her toe into YouTube. And she started making simple videos about the exact things that she's already telling her patients every single day, like I said before. And she just started a couple months ago, and her channel now has over 33,000 subscribers, and 3 of her videos already have over 600,000 views. Her channel's pulled over 3.8 million views total, and she is making a full-time income. And these are numbers that most creators chase for years, and they never get there. Now, she is still a working nurse, and the only thing that's changed is she's now saying what she already knew to millions of people instead of just one patient at a time. And if you want to know the exact live training that Nurse Jen took, well, we have a free live training this week. Click the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Oh, and the exact tool that Nurse Jen used to pick her niche, the Niche Validator AI, that'll be available at the live training as well. So again, click that link in the description and the pinned comment below. All right, guys, quick break. This video is sponsored by me.
I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be doing a live training this week where I'm going to be revealing the YouTube content advantage in 2026. It is a completely free training, no strings attached. In fact, I'm giving away even more bonuses at the training. Just as an example, I'm going to be giving away my niche validator. And this is going to be available for both Claude as well as ChatGPT, which is a super valuable piece of software where you can finally figure out what the best niche for you is. So do not miss out on this training. Make sure you sign up for it down in the description and the pinned comment below, because you only get it if you join the training. So if you don't join now, you might miss it. But that being said, in the workshop, you'll get to meet me. You'll get to ask me questions directly. So I look forward to meeting you. So click the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Make sure you put it on your calendar. And if for whatever reason you missed out on it, you weren't able to attend, make sure you still click that link, because we might be having workshops in the future as well, and you'll be the first to know about it. So yeah, hope to see you there. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming.
All right, next is the air traffic controller. This is the person in the tower keeping planes from hitting each other, and the country is running dangerously low on them. Now, as of this spring, the FAA had roughly 11,000 certified controllers against a target of over 12,500, and the ones on the job worked 2.2 million hours of overtime in a single year. And many are stuck on mandatory 6-day weeks, and that's not a staffing gap, that's a crisis. These are not the type of people that you want to be burnt out and overworked, but unfortunately, that's exactly what's happening. And there's a working controller who vlogs her actual days on the job, and a video where a controller flat out reveals his real paycheck, because people are dying to know. Now, Glassdoor puts controllers between 72 and 134,000 a year, with top earners around 176,000. And here's how to get in. You apply through the FAA, pass their aptitude test, and train at the FAA Academy, and there's an age cutoff, so you can't wait forever. All right, next one is the industrial maintenance technician. These are the people who keep factories, warehouses, and conveyor belt systems from grinding to a halt, and companies cannot find enough of them. And Walmart is so short on techs to maintain its own equipment that it started building its own training pipeline from scratch just to grow them in-house. So when the biggest company on earth has to manufacture its own workers, that tells you how empty this field is. And there's a tech who documents his shifts day after day on YouTube, and a whole channel built around explaining what the job actually involves. And Glassdoor has these techs between $57,000 and $83,000 a year, with the top around $99,000, and no 4-year degree is required. Now here's how to get in. A short technical program or certificate in industrial maintenance gets your foot in the door, and a lot of employers will train you on the floor. All right, next, number 6 is going to be radiologic technologist. These are the people running the X-rays, CT, and MRI scans that your doctor depends on, and the shortage here is almost hard to believe. In that same Rhode Island labor report that we talked about before, there were 113 open positions for every single person available that is qualified to fill one. 113 to 1. And there's a rad tech called the Nomad Rad who built an entire brand teaching people how to break in, and another whose whole channel is literally a day in the life on the job. And Glassdoor puts radiologic techs around $87,000 a year, with plenty clearing 6 figures depending on the state. Now here's how to get it. 2-year associate's degrees in radiography plus your ARRT certification, and you're in a field begging for you. All right, so the next one is iron worker. These are people who build and connect these steel skeletons of buildings and bridges, and contractors flat out can't find them. And in a national industry survey, contractors said that they were struggling to recruit iron workers, and that's almost 8 out of 10. And there's a video from bls.gov on how to get into the trades as an iron worker, and this channel is all about providing a comprehensive space where welding enthusiasts of all levels can gather and learn. And the channel makes about $4.5 thousand a month from AdSense alone, according to vidIQ. And that's of course on top of the money they're making from their courses and their digital products, as well as whatever else they sell. In fact, Glassdoor says they make about $56,000 to $86,000 a year. And union iron workers can push upwards of $120,000 a year with no college degree required. Now here's how to get in. You join an iron worker apprenticeship, usually through a local union, and you earn while you learn from day one. All right, next one on the list is one that I actually considered becoming myself, and that is a speech language pathologist. And these are specialists who help people talk, communicate, and even swallow safely after a stroke or injury, or people that naturally have a disability, such as the king in the movie The King's Speech. And this field is wildly understaffed. And in that same Rhode Island report, there were 94 open positions for every single available candidate. Absolutely insane. And there's an SLP, or speech language pathologist, named Teresa Richard, who turned her expertise into an entire education business. And another one, Kelly, is documenting the real medical side of the job as well. And speech language pathologists make about $119,000 to $166,000 a year. And here's how to get in. Unfortunately, with this one, you're going to have to get a master's degree in speech language pathology. Then you can graduate into a field with dozens of open roles per person. All right, next is an HVAC technician. And this one is near and dear to my heart because this is my own brother's profession. Okay, so HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And these are the systems that every home and business on earth depends on. And the industry is short hundreds of thousands of workers, with these openings piling up over the next decade and companies everywhere unable to find people. Now, I know this one personally because, like I said, my brother Zach has been in the trades for almost 30 years. 20 of those years, he's been running his own HVAC business. And now he teaches people how to get into the trades. And he still can't even make a dent on all of the openings that he sees. But he's helped a lot of people choose the right career for them or even land the job. But here's the part that matters. The trades were breaking his body. And on vacation, he pulled me aside and he asked me, Shane, how in the world can I make money without destroying my body? And I told him, just do YouTube, bro. And he threw every excuse at me in the book. He didn't know how to make videos. He never made one. He wasn't talented. YouTube's for kids, not people in their 50s, et cetera, et cetera. And I told him, just trust me, bro. Just do exactly what I say and it'll work for you. And he did, and it did work for him. His very first video now has over 822,000 views. And 29 days after posting it, he was making $214 in a single day. And by the end of his first year, he pulled over $18,000 in a single month, teaching the exact trade that was wearing him down. And this is on top of all the money he was making from HVAC. Now, he was making multiple six figures a year from HVAC because he owns his own business. But even as a tech, you're likely going to make $60,000 to $88,000 a year. Now, my brother owns his business in California, and I can promise you he's paying his techs a heck of a lot more than that. So that's one thing about a lot of these sort of trade related careers. For some reason, they usually pay quite a bit more than what is stated online. And to become an HVAC technician, you just need a high school diploma or GAD or complete an HVAC certificate program at a trade school or community college. And honestly, the easiest way is to just go to an HVAC business and ask if they'll train you. And most of them will be happy to do so. But yeah, if you want to learn more about how my brother was able to grow his YouTube channel, attend that live training by clicking the link in the description in the pinned comment below. And honestly, I know for 99% of you, you're just going to watch my free videos, get a ton of value from them. You're going to attend my live trainings, get a ton of free value from those as well. But we're never going to end up working one-on-one together, and that is totally fine. I always want to give way more value than I receive, and I'm more than happy to do that. With that being said, there's going to be a very small percentage of you out there that are very serious about growing and making money on YouTube, and you want to do it as fast as possible. And in order to do that, you need one-on-one mentorship from somebody who's already done it. And if that sounds like you, go ahead and book a call by clicking the link in the description and the pinned comment below, but only do it if you're very serious about growing and making money on YouTube as fast as you can. The types of people we typically work with are going to be older professionals who have a lot of value to add to the world and a lot of really cool stuff to share, YouTubers who are already getting views, but they're struggling with monetization, YouTubers who are crushing it, but they want to crush it even harder, and business owners that want to use YouTube as a great way to get leads and get more clients. So if that sounds like you, go ahead and click that link in the description in the pinned comment below. But just know that we only accept about 18% of people who apply to work with us. We're very picky about who we work with, but that's why we get such incredible results. Just like my brother going from zero to a full-time income in less than a month. And also, if you want to check out his video and his story, click this video right here, and I'll show you exactly how we got him results step by step.